فبالنسبة لهذا الكويشن اوكي let's begin. خلينا نكبر الشاشة شوي. alright this is good. okay solve the following equation. فأول شيء هذا، فأنا هذا I'm gonna immediately raise it to the power of minus 2 over 3. The reason why it's minus so that minus times minus is positive, and the reason why it's 2 over 3 so that when you multiply it by 3 over 2 they cancel out. هيك. فشوفوا كيف هاي الماينس وهاي الماينس cancel. 2 and the numerator to the denominator with the numerator is cancelled, so you're left with what? X equals. What's 125 is basically 5 to the power of 3. All to the power of minus 2 over 3. So 3 and 3 cancel out. That means x is equal to 5 to the power of minus 2. What's 5 to the power of minus 2? اللي هو x equals 1 over 25. هاي أول part. Let's check the mark scheme. Erase this. Take a look at the mark scheme. So we have 1 over 25. That's right. So for part B, let's do part B. The same thing. We raise this to the power of minus 3 over 2. Y minus, so that this minus and this minus cancel out. And the same thing to the power of minus 32. And the reason why is 3 over 2, again, so that you can cancel the 2 with the 2 and the 3 over 3. And this is what happens. Okay. But look, there's a better idea before you do that. You can take the 6 and the 6 out first. It's better. So this will become x to the power of minus 2 over 3. أنا ما هل انتبهت لهذه equals 36. Now you can raise both of them to the power. But before we do that, let's try 36 as 6 squared. So this will become x to the power of minus 22 over 3 equals 6 squared. And this is raised to the power of now minus 3 over 2, and this to the power of minus 3 over 2. Now I think you know what's my y is minus 3 over 2. So that this and this can cancel out. فبضل عندي x equals. This 2 and this 2 cancels out. فبضل عندي 6 to the power of minus 3. What's 6 to the power of minus 3? X equals 1 over 216. That's your value. Check the mark scheme. شوف ايش بيطلع لنا answer. Clear. Take a look. 1 over 216. Now this one divided by 3 divided by 3. So you have x to the power of 2 over 3 equals, what's 192 over 3? It is 81. Okay. 192. I divided it by 3 first, صح? Sorry, بيطلع 64. Sorry, 64. Yeah, this is 64. Now, what is 64? 64 basically it is 4 to the power of 3. You're gonna tell me, why did you pick 4 to the power of 3? Why didn't you pick 8 to the power of 2? So that I can cancel with this one. Take a look what's gonna happen. Look. So this is gonna be like this. X to the power of 2 over 3 equals 4 to the power of 3. Okay, so if I raise this to the power of 3 over 2 and this to the power of 3 over 2, no, you're right, they didn't cancel out. هذول كانوا المفروض يكون شيء ثاني. Yes. Okay. So what's going to happen? This is going to cancel with this. So that's going to have x equals 2. Okay, what is 4? 4 is basically 2 squared. عادي ما صار شيء يعني. To the power of 3 لأنه بصير power في power عادي. We're going to multiply it يعني شو المشكلة. Okay, all to the power of 3 over 2. This 2 and this 2 cancels out. So بضل عندي 2 to the power of 9. What's 2 to the power of 9? Try multiply it. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 9 times. بيطلع 512. So x equals 512. Check the mark scheme. شوف ايش بصير. So clear. Move to the mark scheme to part C 512. Okay, so this is part D. Hold on, if you printing error. Hi, part D. Okay, so let's move back to the last part, which is part D, this question. Okay, so divide by 9, the first thing, أحسن إشي. So we're going to have x to the power of minus 2 over 3 equals 16 over 9. Now, if I raise both sides to the power of minus 3 over 2 and to the power of minus 3 over 2, look what's going to happen. This is going to cancel with this, so you're left with x. Now, let's change what's inside the bracket. Oh, actually, let's flip it because we have a negative sign. So this will become 9 over 16 to the power of 3 over 2. Now let's change the 9 and 16 to the power of 2. That means, look what's going to happen. X equals 3 squared over 4. You can do it like this. All to the power of 2. All to the power of 3 over 2. This and this cancelled out. That means x equals to 3 cubed 27. 4 cubed is what? 64. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. That's your final answer. Check the mark scheme. 27 over 64, done. Okay.